shape hunt. Tap, tap, find. Look all around. Use your eyes. Circle, square, triangle, two. Shape hunt, shape hunt. I see you. Lita looks around the room. Novo scanner goes zoom, zoom, zoom. So many toys, so many things. Which little shapes can we bring? Start with one, look carefully. Shapes are hiding for you and me. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Circle, square, triangle, two. Shape hunt. I see you. Round, round, circle, no corners here. Roll, roll, circle, come near, come near. A ball is round, a clock is two. Circle, circle, I found you. Make a circle with your hands. Spin it slowly where you stand. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Square has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little corners. More, more, more. A block is square, a window too. Square, square, I found you. Clap four corners. Clap, clap, clap. Step in place and tap, tap, tap. What shape is round? Circle. What shape has four equal sides? Square. Square. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. Three little corners, point with me. A roof can look like a triangle. A slice of pizza has a triangle angle. Point up high, then point down low. Triangle, triangle, go, go, go. Rectangle is long and neat. Two short sides, two long feet. A door's rectangle, a book is two. Rectangle, rectangle, I found you. Step left, step right, make a long line. Stretch your arms, you are doing fine. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Shape by shape, we can handle. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Star has points that shine so bright. Twinkle, twinkle in the light. A badge is star, a sticker too. Star, star, I found you. Heart is kind, soft and sweet. Hands together, tap your feet. A heart means love, a heart means care. Heart, heart, I see you there. What shape has three corners? Triangle. What shape is long like a door? Rectangle. What shape shines in the sky? Star. What shape says kindness? Heart. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Circle, square, triangle, two. Rectangle, star, heart says you. If you forget, that is okay. Look again and find the way. Corners, sides, round or straight. Shape clues help us celebrate. Lita points, Novo glows. Every shape now, Lita knows. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. Make a circle, clap a square. Point a triangle in the air. Stretch rectangle, twinkle star. Heart hand, show how kind you are. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. Look all around, use your eyes. With Lita and Novo by our side. Shape adventures open wide. Shape hunt, tap, tap, find. TD Kids Universe. Big adventures for little minds.